Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2015 Honda GOLDWING F6B. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2015 Honda GOLDWING, with 42,508 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, an electronic suspension, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and an intercom. It's been upgraded with a luggage rack, aftermarket windscreen, an engine guard, rider footrest, a Mustang seat, a passenger backrest, LED rear fender strip lighting, and a front fairing decal. We have installed a new front tire. Powered by an 1833cc 6-cylinder engine, the GOLDWING puts 125 horsepower and 125 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5.6-gallon fuel capacity, the GOLDWING has a 200 to 240-mile range. It has a 29.3-inch seat height and an 838-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, installed a new front tire, and the rear is at 730 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are blemishes on the front fender, blemish on the mirror case, and a blemish on the rear fender around the lighting. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.